Mandurriao is known for its modern development and vibrant nightlife scene. The district is home to several major mixed-use developments, including Iloilo Business Park, A3 Park District, East M Iloilo Complex, Smallville Business Complex, and Gaisano Iloilo City Center. Due to its dynamic environment, Mandurriao is sometimes nicknamed the district that never sleeps of Iloilo. The name Mandurriao was derived from the name of two crocodiles fighting named Mando and Riao during the exploration of the Spaniards in Iloilo. The name of the crocodile were originally from two now defunct lakes also named Mando and Riao, where the two crocodiles' habitat are respectively. It later formed in the mind of the people that the place was called Mandurriao. Eventually, the letter R in Mando Riao was replaced with RR for the Spaniards. Having an RR in a word brought further beauty and character. Mandurriao, established in 1726 and incorporated into Iloilo City in 1937, has transformed from a residential and agricultural area into a vibrant business district. Initially known for fish pond and salt beds, urban developments has created a commercial hub. Mandurriao Airport, which opened in 1937 and served during WWLL, was replaced in 2007 by the new Iloilo Airport, leading to the privatization of the airport site for development as the Iloilo Business Park. This revitalized area has attracted significantly investment from major corporations, resulting in a mix of commercial and residential developments. The Iloilo Convention Center, built on the old airport site, further enchanted the district's reputation by hosting major international events. Mandurriao now serves as a dynamic center for business and leisure, significantly contributing to Iloilo City growth. Serapion Cortel Torre, November 14, 1892 – December 17, 1941, was a Filipino literature, poet, novelist, zarzuela writer, and playwright of the Hiligaynon language. He is widely known as the father of modern Hiligaynon literature. Some of his popular work are Sayop nga Ikamatay 1915, Ang Dagta nga Makatinlo 1919, For Zarzuela, and Busog nga Bulawan 1928, and Mater Dolorosa 1931 for novels. He also served as municipal president of Iloilo from 1923 to 1925. The Plaza of Mandurriao was named in his honor by virtue of Republic Act No. 1023 approved on June 12, 1954. In recognition of his contribution to the Hiligaynon language in public service, he was honored on June 12, 1954 through the enchantment of Republic Act 1023. This act designated the public plaza in the Iloilo City district of Mandurriao as Serapion C. Torre Park. Mandurriao is the second largest district in Iloilo City, covering 13.78 square kilometers, 5.32 square meters. It is 4.77 kilometers, 2.96 meters away from Iloilo City proper. Mandurriao is bordered by the district of Daharo to the northeast, La Paz to the east, City proper to the southeast, Molo to the south, and Arevalo to the southwest. It also connects with the municipalities of Uton to the west and Pabia to the north. Mandurriao is the only district in Iloilo City without access to the Iloilo Strait. Mandurriao serves as a hub for trade, commerce, finance, real estate, and business process outsourcing in Iloilo City. Along with Iloilo City proper, Mandurriao has experienced rapid development, becoming the fastest growing district in the city. Mandurriao is home to four major mixed-use development townships, namely Iloilo Business Park, Eritrea Park District, SM Iloilo Complex, and Iloilo City Center. The developments are located close to each other, forming a central business district, CBD, referred to as the Iloilo Business Triangle or Mandurriao Business District. Mandurriao has the highest concentration of high-rise building in Iloilo City. The economic activities in Mandurriao continue to thrive with the continuous growth of business process outsourcing companies, upscale hotels, residential towers, large malls, park and office throughout the districts.